Hey guys, so today I'm making a butternut squash soup. Enjoy the recipe. So you want to start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, some garlic, some spring onions, rosemary, some black pepper, and some salt. And then just give it all a good mix. I then added 1 vegetable stock cube, and 1 whole diced butternut squash. Finally, add some hot water and allow it to cook. After about 20 minutes of cooking, I checked on my butternut squash and realized that they were ready to be put into my blender. I then poured the blended soup back into my cooking pot. Gave it a little mix, and then I added my double cream. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.